Okay, so we're going to go over the metadata and see how we can change it. First of all, the metadata are keywords, and in this particular case, they are the keywords in the description that search engines use to help them kind of categorize and figure out what your site is about, your page is about, and they're extremely helpful. The nice thing about the pages that we built is they're automatically, we have what's called auto-generated keywords. What these keywords are is we have a special program. It'll read your web page, and then it will generate keywords based upon the content that you have on the page itself. You can see that content when I rebuild. So on the page in question, this is these yellow section right here. These are the keywords that were stored, Brooklyn name and so on and so forth. Now, these may be good keywords, and if they are, great, you can just leave them alone. But usually you want to define it a little better, because although it can auto-generate the keywords, it won't know what your intentions are. It doesn't know what that is. So sometimes it's best to not let it auto-generate, and you determine which one of those keywords are best. So what I've done is I've disabled the auto-generation. It then turns around and displays all of the keywords that it auto-generated, giving me the option to pick which ones I want to use. Let's do that one. Clothing, fashion. Okay, and it also allows me to add new ones. New York City, African wear. Okay. Save. So now, when we rebuild the page, we see that all of the keywords are the ones that we chose, and the two that we added. This is the place where we also put in our meta description. Now, my recommendation is that your meta description contain at least your focus keyword. And if you don't know what the focus keyword is, I'll take you there. That's under the live page analyzer. And in a previous video, we set our focus keyword to Brooklyn. Just doesn't necessarily mean it's a good keyword. It's just one that we set it to, so just for demonstration purposes. And our description will appear here within the Google search results.
So now let's discuss the Facebook sharing. So recently added to our section here, let me go here and let's go here. So recently added to our meta section was this little section down here of Facebook sharing. And Facebook sharing allows you to have provide more information within the tags of your web page to Facebook, and Facebook uses that information to give more detail to your web page within the Facebook system. So let's also look at this here. Now, this will give you a brief explanation of what Facebook sharing is. Make sure you read it. This link right here is the developer's link that will allow you, once you log in, to test the changes that you make here under Facebook sharing. So the first option is page type, and these are the page types available to us from Facebook. So let's choose article, click save. Now, when we come down here, we can browse for images by clicking on here and selecting a secure image. Let's do that. Let's just grab this one. You always want to grab a secure image like this one, not the link that's not secure. So we'll grab that. We'll give it a title about our company. Okay. And more detailed description. And click save. So once we're done here, and we go to rebuild our web page, this will become live online. Then you can go here to test it on the Facebook system, and I'll demonstrate that right now. So what I've done is I've opened up the sharing debugger, Facebook sharing debugger, and you can do this. All you have to do is log into Facebook and go to the sharing debugger page and enter your URL that you want to share. And you can kind of take a preview of how it will look. You can see it there. And if it's not updated, you just click this little button here that says scrape again, and it will go to your website, grab the information, and make sure that